Here's a few things that you need to know about spreads before you start trading. What is a spread? Imagine you're at a coffee shop and you pay $5 for a coffee, but it only costs $3 for the shop to make it. The $2 difference is the shop's profit. The spread is the $2 difference. It's the gap between what you pay for something and what you sell it for. So why should you care about spreads? If the spread is low, like getting a coffee discount, you pay less to the broker, the person that helps you trade, so you're closer to making a profit. On the other hand, if the spread is high, like paying extra for a coffee, you pay more to the broker, so you need to make more money on your trades just to break even. So how can you benefit from spreads? Think about buying coffee like an extra cost. Raw spreads are just like that. You pay only the price that the market asks, without extra fees. Raw spreads are spreads without any markups. That means you get even closer to the market price, which helps you make even more money. While trading with the FundedNext Challenge Account, you can trade with raw spreads, which means you get even closer to that market price, allowing you to maximize your profit potential. Spreads are like the cost of doing business when you're trading. Here you can see all the spreads of FundedNext. Knowing about them and choosing a prop firm with good spreads can help you succeed. It's like getting your coffee closer to the base cost, making your trading experience better. Happy trading!